They say bathrooms and kitchens sell houses, but in our case, that couldn't be further from the truth. This bathroom is the ugliest room in our house, and it is not close. The materials are cheap and ill-fitting, and the craftsmanship is bad. The sink is so tall our youngest kids have a hard time even brushing their teeth. The heavily textured walls don't clean, and be careful if you try, you might lose some layers of skin. Based on location, it's the bathroom we should send guests to, but it's such an embarrassment we just can't do it. This project is on a budget, so we'll outline what we spent and where. We'll also provide info on colors and other choices. While we don't love the shower insert or the location of the toilet, this budget project doesn't allow for those major changes today, so we'll clean them up and live with them for now. It's time we transform this into something we can be proud of, and that starts with demo. So I just wanted to point out that all I've done is disconnect 2 water supply lines and a drain. That's all I've done. It was not attached to anything. Whoa. Let's see what we got. Lots of hair stuff. How many combs do we have? We have at least 3 combs. What do we have here? Some
little scissors.
Clippers. Some little clippers. This tile came up as easy as I could have hoped. It left a surprisingly smooth and clean subfloor, which I had planned to replace, but decided after seeing this that it could stay. The door was too far that way. Moved it that way. When I did that, domino effect, had to move those switches to get room for the new casing on this side. So to make room over here, had to adjust things over there. All ready to go. I'm not in the mood to sand or skim these textured walls, and we like the look of shiplap, so that's next. This is a small windowless bathroom, so installing it vertically gives the illusion of a larger space, at least a little bit. This product is from Home Depot. It's $37 a sheet, and we used 5, so total cost to get rid of the texture, $185. I'd say that's money well spent. Next up is a little custom cabinetry. We really like IKEA's sinks. The one we're using for this project was $160. They fit the look we're going for, they're easy to clean, and they're durable. So next up, I'm making a custom vanity and doors to go with the sink. The cabinet is just painted plywood, which I had on hand, and the doors are standard pine 1x4s, I think at about $10 each. sunnies that look good. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to see the finished product. A few things I wanted to mention. The mirror that we're looking at is vintage. It came from Facebook Marketplace. That pendant light is from Amazon. It was $50. The faucet came from Amazon as well. I believe it was 80 or 90. Forgot to record much, but I made that little pegboard to hold towels and things. I didn't show much of this in the video, but I recreated the routered profile that the rest of our house has for our door casings. I'm not sure that it's my favorite look, but it's what's in the rest of the house, and so we made it match. I guess it has kind of a cottagey country look to it, so it works. I am very pleased that the door casings don't bump into or have to be notched out for the vanity. And I think the finishes look much better than they did before. Let's take a look at the before one more time just to remember what we had. Hard to believe it's the same space. I think the changes I'm most pleased with are the proportions of the vanity and the quality of the finish work. Well, and the flooring, definitely. Well, and the walls. Okay, I pretty much like all of it. Let's check it out after I turn it over to Emily for decorating. She wanted me to mention that the artwork comes from Pine and Prospect. They have a YouTube channel and also a blog. You purchase the digital rights to the images, you print them yourself, and then you can do things like Mod Podge and do things that give it a texture to make it look like oil paintings and frame them yourself. The frames are thrifted, so I think there's about $35 in the artwork. It looks awesome, and Emily always does a great job making things look like home. All in all, even though it's just a small little makeover, not even including a shower or bathtub, we still have close to $900 in this project. But in this economy with the price of materials and things, I guess I don't think that's too bad. Hope you have a great day, and thanks for following along.